Is there anyone out there in the vast universe, or are we alone in this cosmic dance? It's a question that has intrigued mankind for centuries, conjuring images of green Martians and distant galaxies. Are we the only ones waltzing through the cosmos, or is there a partner we've yet to meet? The universe, grand and mysterious, stretches out infinitely, a sea of stars and galaxies that boggles the mind. It houses a number of planets so large it's nearly incomprehensible. Among these celestial bodies, surely there must be others that can support life, just like our own Earth. But if that's the case, why haven't we heard from our cosmic neighbours yet? The silence is deafening, a quiet that echoes through the cosmos, ringing in our ears. It's a silence that has puzzled the greatest minds of our time. This leads to a puzzling question that has baffled scientists and philosophers alike: the Fermi Paradox. So, what exactly is this Fermi Paradox that we're talking about? Well, let's unravel this cosmic enigma together, shall we? The Fermi Paradox is named after the brilliant physicist Enrico Fermi. It's not so much a paradox as it is a profound question that has puzzled scientists for decades. You see, when we gaze upon the universe, with its billions of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, many of which are likely to have planets orbiting them, it seems almost unfathomable that Earth would be the only planet where life has taken root. Imagine you're at a grand party, in a mansion filled with countless rooms. You've been told that every room is bursting with guests, yet as you wander from room to room, you find them all empty. That's the Fermi Paradox in a nutshell. The universe is the mansion, the rooms are the galaxies, and we, on Earth, are the confused partygoers, left wondering where everyone else is. You see, our understanding of the universe and the laws of physics suggest that there should be a high probability of extraterrestrial life. We've discovered that the elements necessary for life as we know it, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur, are abundant throughout the cosmos. We've found water, the elixir of life, on Mars, on the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and even on comets. Yet despite all these tantalizing hints, we've had no contact with nor found any evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. Could it be that we're looking in the wrong way, or at the wrong time? Or perhaps the universe is teeming with life, but not as we know it, Jim, to borrow a phrase from Star Trek. Or maybe, just maybe, we're truly alone in the vast cosmic ocean. In essence, the Fermi Paradox asks, if there are so many opportunities for life to exist in the universe, why haven't we found any evidence of it? It's a question that continues to echo through the halls of science, resonating with our innate curiosity and desire to understand our place in the universe. The Fermi Paradox isn't a statement of fact, but rather a collection of questions that lead to some fascinating theories. Let's dive into some of these possible explanations, shall we? First up, we have the Great Filter theory. It's like a cosmic speed bump, a stage in life's evolutionary process so difficult to surpass that most civilizations never make it. Imagine a squirrel trying to cross a busy motorway. The squirrel represents a civilization, and the motorway the Great Filter. Many squirrels try, but few succeed. Could it be that life elsewhere in the universe is stuck, unable to cross their own cosmic motorway? Or perhaps, more ominously, the Great Filter lies ahead of us, and our civilization is the squirrel yet to attempt the crossing. Next, we have the zoo hypothesis. Imagine you're a bird, living your life, unaware of the world beyond your tree. To you, that's your entire universe. Now imagine humans as the birds and extraterrestrial civilizations as the bird watchers, observing us from a distance, but choosing not to interfere. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? That we might be part of a cosmic wildlife sanctuary, observed and protected, but largely left to our own devices. Then there's the "are we listening correctly" theory. Think about it. If a tree falls in a forest and there's no one around to hear it, does it make a sound? Similarly, if an alien civilization is trying to contact us, but we're not tuned into their frequency, are we missing their calls? It's like trying to catch a specific radio station while fiddling with the dial. We might just be missing the show because we're tuned into the wrong station. Another theory is the self-destruct explanation. This one's a bit grim, but bear with me. It suggests that advanced civilizations tend to destroy themselves before they can reach out to others. It's like a child playing with a box of matches. The child represents a civilization, and the matches, advanced technology. If the child plays with the matches without understanding the dangers, it's only a matter of time before things go up in flames. Finally, we have the "they are avoiding us" theory. Picture Earth as that one house on the block that never gets trick-or-treaters on Halloween. Maybe we're not as popular in the cosmic neighborhood as we'd like to think. It's like being left off the guest list for the universe's biggest party. Each of these theories brings its own set of questions and implications about our understanding of life and our place in the universe. The Fermi Paradox isn't just about aliens and spaceships. It's a question that forces us to look inward and ponder about our own existence. It compels us to question our place in the cosmos. The paradox is a sharp contrast between the high possibility of alien existence and lack of proof of it. It makes us question, are we alone in the universe? This introspection can be humbling, reminding us of our pettiness in the grand scheme of things. The Fermi Paradox also fuels our inquisitiveness. If we, intelligent beings, evolved on Earth, what's stopping life forms from evolving elsewhere? It drives us to reach out, listen and search, to scan the universe for signals, to communicate into the cosmic sea, and to explore space for signs of life. In this pursuit, we are not merely seeking extraterrestrial intelligence, we are seeking answers to fundamental questions of our existence. It prompts us to develop new strategies and theories in our search for alien life. It challenges us to expand our knowledge about life and intelligence. In the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, we may end up learning more about ourselves. After all, the journey of discovery is not just about what we find, but also about what we learn along the way. So where does that leave us in our cosmic conundrum? We've journeyed together through the Fermi Paradox, a riddle that has puzzled thinkers for generations. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We started with the grand question, where is everybody? The universe is vast, age-old and teeming with stars and planets. The odds seem in favor of life existing elsewhere, and yet we've seen no sign of it. This is the crux of the Fermi Paradox. Next, we unveiled the paradox itself, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. We explored the concept of the great silence, the unsettling quiet in our search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The universe, it seems, is playing a cosmic game of hide-and-seek with us. We then delved into possible explanations for this paradox. From the zoo hypothesis, suggesting we're like animals in a cosmic zoo, to the great filter theory, hinting at some catastrophic event that prevents civilizations from contacting us. Each theory more fascinating and perplexing than the last. We also touched upon the impact this paradox has on humanity. It raises existential questions about our place in the universe and our future as a species. If we're alone, what does that mean for us? If we're not, what then? In this journey, we've navigated through the vast cosmic ocean, and we've seen that the Fermi Paradox is more than just a question about extraterrestrial life. It's a reflection of our human condition, our curiosity, and our longing to understand the universe and our place in it. Remember, the Fermi Paradox doesn't provide us with answers, but instead poses questions that inspire us to look skyward, to explore and to wonder. It's a mystery that may never be solved, a cosmic riddle left for us by the universe itself. Whether we are alone or not, the question itself serves as a mirror, reflecting our own existence in this vast universe. So, keep looking up, keep wondering, and keep exploring, because in the end, the journey is as important as the destination.